Hello friends, welcome to my Japanese language class. This program for JLPT N4 and NAT N4 students. Today we are going to learn lesson 38 or Dai Sanju Hachika. In this lesson we are going to learn these verbs and some more kanjis. Verb plain form no, verb dictionary form noa, adjective this. Verb dictionary form noga, adjective this. Verb dictionary form no wasure masita. Verb adjective, na adjective, noun. Plain form noa, noun this. Grammar. Verb dictionary form noa, adjective this. This is, you can say, also sentence form. Okay. How to make sentence with using of noa. No is a particle, wa also a particle. But before adjective, generally we take ga particle or wa particle. But here we will take noa. Look at here where we will use ichiban teniswa omoshiroi desu. Okay, we already learned in N5 this kind of sentence. Teniswa omoshiroi desu or tenisu ga omoshiroi desu. Okay, but when you use noa, sentence will be like this, means tenisu o miru noa omoshiroi desu. Check third sentence, tenisu o suru noa omoshiroi desu. In this sentence form we get it. This is the basic sentence. We generally make it tenisu ga omoshiroi desu, tenisu wa omoshiroi desu. Both are correct for either wa or ga particle. We learned this in N5, but when we say कि I like tennis, when I like to watch tennis, I like to play tennis. It means verb is comes. Okay. Here only noun, wa, adjective. Okay. Here no verb is there. This. But when it is a verb comes in a sentence, adjective sentence, so how we make the sentence? जब इसी sentence में सिर्फ noun wa or noun ga also be there, we can take adjective this. But जबकि एक sentence में verb भी आ जाता है तो कैसे हम बनाते हैं sentence? ठीक है? Then the noun take o particle because it is a verb. You know, when a transitive verb comes and a object comes before it and it is a direct object, so that object takes o particle. So tenisu o miru noa omoshiroi desu. Third, tenisu o suru noa omoshiroi desu. You know, in any sports you take shimasu verb will go. No? Tenisu o shimasu, sakka o shimasu, like that. Tenisu o suru noa omoshiroi desu. What type of adjectives comes in this type of sentence? Because there are so many types of adjectives we have. No? The adjectives such as mujukasi, yasashi, omoshiroi, tanoshi, kikken, taihen are used in this type of sentence pattern. In this type of sentence pattern, we cannot use suki, kirai, joju, like this kind of adjective. We cannot use over here because they are referred to the skill. No? Please make 2-3 sentences to remember the grammar pattern. Okay? When a verb comes to a adjective sentence and it will make a sentence, the sentence will be formed this way. Yes. In this type of sentence, the adjective will be different. When we take noa and also there is another form is noga. We are going to learn this also right now. After this, we will learn this pattern, noga. So, when you use noa form, then mujukasi, yasashi, omoshiroi, this type of adjectives are used in this sentence pattern. Okay. Hope you understand how to form this sentence with no wa. Next. Here verb dictionary form no ka adjective desu. Watashi wa ryori ga suki desu. Watashi wa ryori o tsukuru no ga suki desu. Sato-san wa hashiru no ga hayai desu. No ga pattern and adjective. We used no ga where the adjective is generally related to skill related adjectives. Adjectives such as suki, this is su. Suki, kirai, joju, hetta, hayai, osoi. This type of adjectives comes in this type of sentence pattern. Like, dislike or capability are used in this type of sentence pattern. यहाँ पे कौन सी एडजेक्टिव आता है जो हमारा स्किल को, लाइक को, डिसलाइक को और एबिलिटी को रेफर करता है, उस तरह का एडजेक्टिव यहाँ पे आता है नो का. जनरली से वाताशी ryori ga suki desu, ryori ga heta desu, ryori ga joju desu, like this. But when we make a verb enter, this is chukuru. Chukuru. When a verb enter to this type of sentence pattern, it became like this. Watashi wa ryori o chukuru no ga suki desu. Obviously, when you say about the dish, there are so many verb actions will come. No? Whether you like to eat, whether you like to make, whether you like to only watch that videos of that ryori dishes making. No? So there are so many things and so many verbs comes to the sentence. So when a verb enter to this adjective sentence, noun take O particle as it is because it is transitive verb. You know, a direct object take O particle when a verb comes over here. We already learned in our N5 lesson 6. So, chukuru no ga suki desu. I like to prepare cooking or like to make dishes like this. मुझे खाना बनाना अच्छा लगता है, ऐसा. यहाँ पे Sato-san wa hashiru no ga hayai desu. Miss Sato is fast in run or race. Hashiru no ga. यहाँ पे object कुछ नहीं है. As it is a verb over there, it will take no ga. Okay. So hope you understand. Okay. Please make 3-4 sentence. It will be easy to remember. Next. Verb dictionary form no o wasuremashita. Forget to do something. हम इसको कैसे एक्सप्लेन करते? जब हम बोलते हैं हमने भूल के, मैं खाना लाना भूल के, मैंने अम्ब्रेला लेना भूल के, मैंने दरवाजा बंद करना, खिड़की देना भूल के, ठीक है, मैं डोर लॉक करना भूल गई, हम भी बोलते कभी कभी, मैं स्विच ऑफ करना भूल गई, ठीक है ना. आई फॉरगेट टू स्विच ऑफ द लाइट, आई फॉरगेट टू क्लोज द विंडो, आई फॉरगेट टू buy the bread, I forgot to close the door. So many times we forget to do something. So how we make a sentence in this grammar form? Okay. Please look at the sentence. In this grammar we used no o there. Okay. जो चीज को हम भूल जाते हैं, the things we forget, it will come in no o. Then wasuremashita. Ichiban, watashi wa kasa o wasuremashita. This is simple sentence we make in N5. Watashi wa kasa o wasuremashita. I forgot the umbrella. इसको अगर हम एक verb के यूज करके एक सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, जैसे watashi wa yasai o kau no o wasuremashita. Nipan, mado o shimeru no o wasuremashita. Watashi wa kasa o wasuremashita. Watashi wa kasa o mottekuru no o wasuremashita. You can say also this. I forgot to bring the umbrella. Watashi wa kasa o kau no o wasuremashita. I forgot to buy the umbrella. No? So when a verb comes in a sentence, how you make this thing? Okay. I forgot the umbrella. Here it is I forgot the umbrella, but it is specifically it is mentioning watashi wa kasa o. Suppose I will make this thing in this type of sentence. Watashi wa kasa o kau no o wasuremashita. Okay. यहाँ पे मैं बोल रही हूँ कि I forgot the umbrella, but यहाँ पे बोल रही हूँ कि मैं umbrella खरीदना भूल गई. Kasa o kau no o wasuremashita. I forgot to do this action, to do these things. Okay. When we mention to forget to do something, some work, some action, we are using no o wasuremashita. And verb comes in dictionary form. Okay. Here also cow dictionary form. Understood? Then comes to next sentence. Watashi wa yasai o kau no o wasuremashita. I forgot to purchase the vegetable. Mado o shimeru no o wasuremashita. I forget to close the window. मैंने खिड़की बंद करना भूल गई. ठीक है? So you make so many sentences like that. Pan o kau no o wasuremashita. Okay? So please do 3-4 sentences by yourself and you can understand how to make this sentence. And don't forget that verb which is used in the sentence, it takes dictionary form. Okay? In grammars, verb, adjective, na adjective, noun, plain form, nova, noun, this. There is one exception. In na adjective and noun, that does not come. This grammar form we used when a noun represent to a thing, place, person like this. Please look at the sentence, you can understand. Kodomo wa ano jugakko ni kayotte imasu. You children are going to that junior high school. बच्चे वो junior high school को जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? ऐसा. इसको when we form in this grammar pattern with nova noun des focusing to Chikako, a place. Kodomo ga kayotte iru no wa ano Chikako desu. It is that junior high school where children are going. Children are going. So, ये वही जूनियर स्कूल है जहाँ पे बच्चे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? और बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं. ऐसे what is the difference in this sentence and this sentence is here we are saying kodomo ga ano chugaku ni kayotte imasu. This is the very normal sentence we are learning N5. You know? Here we are focusing that this school, junior high school. कोदोमो का कायोत्ते इरु नो वा आनो चुगाको देसु. बच्चे ये जो स्कूल है वहाँ पे बच्चे जा रहे हैं. ठीक? It is that junior high school where children are going. This is the only difference to making the sentence. Format the sentence. So wa particle why? Because it is focusing and you know that highlighting and it is the information. This is the information giving about this. मैंने चुगाको के बारे में ये information यहाँ पे दिया. This is explaining over here. And wa particular text because to highlight and make the topic of this sentence. Kodomo ga kayotte iru no wa. Next sentence. Suppose your father is working in a hospital. Then how you mention a sentence? Byoin. So, chichi ga hataraite iru no wa ano byoin desu. Chichi ga Noa ano bioindes. Right? So this is the way we make sentence in this grammar form. Let's learn some more sentence. You can understand better. Kono yari khata ga ichiban kantan desu. This method is easiest. Okay. Ichiban kantan no wa kono yari khata desu. The easiest method is this way. कोनो यारी खाता का इचिबान कांतान देस. ये सबसे easiest method है. इचिबान कांतान नोआ कोनो यारी खाता देस. सबसे easiest method is यही है. ठीक है. यही है जो सबसे easiest method है. The easiest method is this way. यही मेथड ही सबसे इजीएस्ट है. ऐसे हम बोलना है. ठीक है. सो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट, आई मीन हाउ टू मेक और हाउ टू यूज दिस ग्रामर फॉर्म. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. प्लीज मेक 3-4 सेंटेंस बाय योरसेल्फ. Here I have given some question for you. Fill the gap with appropriate particle. Please fill the gap with appropriate particle and then check with the answer given over here. Hope all of you done correctly. Again, some question for you. Fill the gap with appropriate word. Here I have given some word. Please fill it in appropriate place. Okay. Pause the video and do it. Then check with the answer I have given over here. वीडियो पॉज करके पहले खुद करो, इसके बाद आंसर से चेक करो. Okay. Hope all of you done correctly. Some kanji. Meaning of this kanji: go out, kunyomi deru dasu, onyomi sutsu, deguchi and exit. Meaning of this kanji: enter, put in, kunyomi hairu, ireru, onyomi new, iriguchi, entrance. Meaning of this kanji: ride, kunyomi noru, noseru, onyomi jo, kyaku, passenger. Meaning of this kanji: descent, kunyomi oriru, furu, orosu, onyomi ko, oriru, get up. Meaning of this kanji: arrive, where, kunyomi chukku, kiru, onyomi chaku, to chaku, arrive. Meaning of this kanji: cross, kunyomi wataru, watasu, onyomi to bay, to visit USA. There is a separate kanji video. Please follow that video, follow that classes, because stroke orders, written pattern and words, quiz, sentence also given there. It will benefit for your learning. This kanji I have given in every class because you have a habit to learn kanji. Kanji is the essential part of Japanese language. Now the time to say sayonara. Today's lesson is this much. Hope this lesson helpful to you to get some knowledge. Let's meet in next class with a new lesson, new grammar and some new question answer. Okay. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safely. Sayonara. Goodbye.